Hey y'all, I hope everyone is enjoying the weather and having a wonderful day today. I am super excited to do today's video because we're not just unboxing a new subscription box service, you guys heard that right, but this box has been featured in Forbes, Buzzfeed, InStyle, and quite honestly, it kind of hit a little close to home for me. So I am really excited to tell you guys all about it and get into it and see what's inside. So without further ado, let's get on into it. All right, you guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Alexandra, also known as the Not So Evil Stepmother. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would greatly appreciate it if you would do so. And that way also you won't miss out on any future unboxings, tips, tricks, makeup reviews, all that kind of stuff. We have a ton of fun here. So anyways, let's talk about this box, you guys, because I cannot wait to get inside of it. So I'm sure you probably saw the title. The name of it is Lovegoodly, which fits it too perfectly. This is a bi-monthly box, so that means you get it like every 2 months. So this is actually April and May's box, so the next one will be June and July's, and this is all about beauty, health, wellness, lifestyle, and everything in it is cruelty-free, eco-friendly, non-toxic, non-GMO, and vegan. Whew, that was a mouthful. So anyways, they do have a couple different levels, and of course I will put everything down below in the description, but this is the main box, which is the essentials, and it basically features 5 full-size items up to $100 worth of retail value. This one actually has $105+ right? So anyways, the one amazing thing though about this box, you guys, besides the fact that it has free shipping, because that's pretty amazing and hard to find in subscription boxes these days, but a portion of the proceeds for every box that is purchased goes to a cause. So it, like 1 month it might be like breast cancer awareness, or like this month it is actually a farm sanctuary whose mission is to protect farm animals from being treated cruelly, which I found like really awesome and amazing, especially considering that most boxes like this are really expensive. So if you're into something like cause box but you don't want to spend cause box kind of money, this is the one for you right here. So just to let you guys know, this is one of the boxes that I did reach out to. So they did send this to me free for review for you guys. But on top of that, they also sent me a code for $5 off your first month's box. So it's LGXSTEPMOTHER, all one word, all capital, if you guys want to try it out. And after they sent me that, they also asked me if I wanted to become an affiliate. So that doesn't cost you guys anything, but I am just letting you know so that we have full transparency, because we're all about honesty on this channel. So let's open her on up and see what's inside. Oh, it's so pretty. So yeah, there's a little card right there, and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. I am so excited. Is that food? There's food in there. Oh my God, you guys, there's food in here. Boom Chicka Pop, sweet and salty kettle corn. Oh my God, you guys know that I have never, like, I used to not be able to eat any of this, like, ever, because of my mouth. So I'm like so excited. I haven't had popcorn in forever. Oh my God, that is really good. That is really, really good. So it's on here. Yes, Angie's Boom Chicka Pop assorted vegan flavors, $2.50. So yeah, they have everything listed on the little card here. It tells you what it is. The next item, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys this. So one thing that really made me reach out to this box, you guys, is the backstory of it. Definitely check it out. So Justine, the co-founder, she actually is a breast cancer survivor. So that's kind of why this box hit a little close to home for me. And it was just a really exciting backstory. So if you guys get a chance, definitely check out their site, read all about that. But the next thing here I am really excited to try, and this is by Pure, 100% Pure. It's Bamboo Blur Powder, Poreless and Skin Perfecting. I don't think I have a brush out here with me, but I want to try this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, you guys. I'll show you guys that right there, and this is the packaging right here. Let me see if I can, sorry, bright light. So yeah, Poreless and Skin Perfecting. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm almost out of my Becca powder too. So I wonder, okay, so we're gonna try this out. I'll open it up off camera and we'll try everything out. The next thing, what's this? Heads up, 2 ingredients are missing on the Delilah Organics Body Whip label: cinnamon oil and vanilla oil. Please refer to DelilahOrganics.com for a full list of the Body Whip ingredients. There's Body Whip in here apparently. So the next item, oh, by the way, this item right here retailed for $41. Wow. I mean, I can believe it because it's vegan and it's powder, and my powder is expensive. So the next item on here is Cocoa Butter Semi-Matte Lipstick, and it's also by 100% Pure, and this is $30. It's fruit pigmented Cocoa Butter Matte Lipstick. Ooh, lipstick. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cute. Look, it's got like little leaves on it and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is so adorable. All right, so I'm really curious. Cocoa Butter Lipstick, I bet that has got to be really soft. Ooh. Oh, wow. That is a mauve color. I love these kind of colors in the winter, you guys. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a really pretty, like mauve, and it's not even showing up on camera how pretty it is. So yeah, we'll have to try that out. And this must be the Delilah Organics Creme de la Creme Body Whip. So there was apparently 2 missing ingredients from the label. And this is $21.99. It is, your body is just as important as your face. It's a beautiful, lightweight body cream that will provide hydration, a sheer glow, leaving you with a warm, embracing scent of cinnamon, sugar, and vanilla. Sounds good. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Oh, wow. That is thick. That is really thick. Is that going in? Oh, yeah. That is like, and it's not like oily. I hate how some like lotions are like super oily or sticky after you put them on. But it's not neither one of those. So that is really awesome, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm sorry, my light is so bright. I am moving to a different location for filming, you guys, just to let you know. So we will not have to deal with this forever. Okay, what is this? Alka White Turmeric Natural Tooth Whitening Mouthwash. Anti-acid, whitens teeth, freshens breath. Essential oils and spices, including coconut oil with turmeric. I'll have to look that up. Show you guys that right there. I am so sorry, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that real well. And there's also like these little things with it. So let's see what this is. Alka White. This is $9.99. So alkaline mouthwash tablet, turmeric, $9.99. A unique mouth rinse tablet with turmeric, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, I'm probably chopping it up, is a tooth whitening system that safely whitens teeth. Rinsing and brushing with a portable effervescent tablets creates an alkaline oral environment which strengthens enamel, freshens breath, and makes teeth less sensitive. Ooh, I need that. Okay, so, so these are like little alkaline strips. So you, for best results, test in the morning or 2 hours after eating. You wet a test strip with the saliva, wait 2 seconds, and place against the chart and match your color. Oh, wow. I'm probably like super acidic because I drink like, can I even open this? Let me see. I don't want to like, I'm probably like super acidic because I drink that Dasani water and that stuff is like super, super acidic. Oh, wow. It's like a little thing of little test strips here. So I guess, are they like, oh, okay, so they're separated by this little white, there's like a little white thing in here that's separated. I've never done this before, you guys. So let's see. Oh, wow. It's like not even changing color. That is not good. It says the yellow is bad. Am I even using the right paper? I don't know if I'm using the right paper. I think it is the yellow. I think I'm just really, 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 really acidic. That's really bad, you guys. So yeah, apparently I really needed these. So I'm definitely gonna try them out and I will let you guys know what I think about that. So hang tight for just a second. Let me go get a brush and then we will try out this powder and lipstick. All right, you guys, so while I was grabbing my brushes and stuff, I went ahead and totaled up everything on this box. So the total is $105.48. And as you can see, I did go ahead and put on the lipstick. I did that off camera mainly because, and a little trick for you guys, on dark lipsticks or reds or anything like that, I love them as much as I do. I'm terrible at putting on lipstick, but I found an amazing trick, which is grabbing a little brush like this and just opening it up. And then of course, and then going around your lips. That way it like it'll make your life so much easier, like so much easier, and it'll make that perfect lip, which I love. And I'm actually really digging this color, you guys, so I'm kind of a little excited for it. And it's very wearable, it's very lightweight. Like I was a little afraid with it having like the cocoa butter and that kind of thing that it wasn't gonna be light, like it was gonna be really heavy, but it's not. It's very matte. It didn't get on my teeth or anything, which is really hard to come by for lipsticks. So, and it's very, very light. Like it doesn't even feel like I have anything on. As a matter of fact, I keep having to like look in the monitor and I'm like, oh yeah, I got lipstick on. So anyways, I went ahead and opened this up. So I wanted to show you guys that right there, what the inside of it looked like. So it had a little tab inside of there, and I'm kind of excited to try this out. So let's grab our little mirror here and dip our brush. Ooh, wow. I put a little too much on there. Let's, I'm having problems. I can taste it. All right, so, sorry, I put way too much on there. I don't know why I just did that, you guys. I'm having issues this video. So I will say it's very pretty, and it is definitely pore refining. As you can see, it looks like it's got a little flashback maybe, but that might be just because I put a ton on. So let me try the other side and tap it off this time. Let's see. No, okay, no flashback. And it is definitely pore diffusing. Like I can literally, as I'm like, dang, I'm gonna put a little more on there. As I'm like putting it on, I can literally like watch my pores like disappear. Like, I mean, they were already pretty diffused, but what was left of them is gone. So yeah, that is really pretty. I'm excited for that, you guys. I didn't know if I was gonna like that or not, because I am really, really picky about powders. And I'm like, vegan powder, I don't know. I mean, I put a lot on this side, but like, I mean, it's really nice, you guys. I'm kind of excited about that, and I might end up repurchasing that. So anyways, all in all, you guys, I'm really happy with this box, and I'm really, really excited to see what comes in the June and July box. Definitely, I am living for this popcorn. I haven't had popcorn in forever, but this is really good. Like, it's got a combination of sweet and salty and everything that I've been missing in my life. So anyways, as I said, if you guys are interested in trying it out, I got a free code for you guys for $5 off. It's LGXSTEPMOTHER, all one word, all capital. And again, I will link everything down below. So yeah, I've got to say 2 thumbs up for this box, and I'm really kind of excited to try out the next one. So I will see you guys tomorrow so we can do that. Bye.